Today we're mixing it up a little bit. This house was built in 2017 by Brush Arbor and it's located in the neighborhood in Arlington, Virginia. It's called Lyon Village, or is it Lyon Village? The house is specifically located at 3187 17th Street North. The home is 4,600 square feet. It has 4 levels and it sits on a 5,600 square foot lot. It has 5 bedrooms, 6 full bathrooms, 1 car garage, and so many details and upgrades like 10-foot ceilings, white oak floors, high-end appliances, an outdoor kitchen made out of stone, automatic shades, and a laundry room with 2 washers, 2 dryers. The kitchen, did I mention, has 2 dishwashers. This gorgeous home is listed by Paul Scott from Long and Foster Real Estate, and it is priced at $2,725,000. So come with me and let's explore this beauty. So as soon as you come in, on the right-hand side, you're gonna have this gorgeous dining room with a chandelier that is absolutely beautiful. On the right-hand side, you are gonna have what you can be using as a studio. It could also be a bedroom because next to it, you have a full bathroom. It has good size and also built-ins, and you have plenty of light throughout the entire house because you have windows that are really big. So before we go into the kitchen, let's walk through the dining room, and we're gonna have a butler's pantry with your first wine cooler. Past the butler's pantry, you come into this absolutely gorgeous kitchen. You have these high-end appliances. This is a 36-inch cooktop gas with Miele double oven and a heating drawer. You have 2 dishwashers, which is absolutely incredibly convenient. And then you have these Sub-Zero French door refrigerator. And then look at this island. You have, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chairs. And one of my favorite spots here in the kitchen is this super nice diner style breakfast table. Today the temperature it's in the high 30s, and I felt like it was the right thing to do to turn on this gas fireplace. Stone around it, and look at this backyard, which we're gonna go in a minute. And again, huge glass doors, huge windows, and integrated into the kitchen, one big living space. And by the way, these are not doors, these are windows, and you have 2, they're completely up and down from floor to ceiling. The other thing that you might not be able to see in the video is how high the ceilings are. These are at least 10-foot ceilings. On the other side of the dining room, you are gonna have this full bathroom next to the studio. And then of course you open up to the kitchen. Here off of the kitchen, you're gonna have a mudroom with access to the garage, which is a 1-car garage, but it's plenty space for 1 car. And then you have the driveway as well. Past the mudroom, you're gonna have this pantry, which is very well located next to the kitchen. This channel, we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate here in Northern Virginia, specifically in Arlington. We talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly about the different neighborhoods. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell so that you're informed every week when we post a new video. And if you're interested in touring this house or any other house in the neighborhood, make sure that you give us a call or send us a text message. We'll be more than happy to accommodate your schedule. So before we go to the second level, I wanted to show you what the neighborhood looks like. What are the streets like? What are the houses around you like? All right, so this is what the neighborhood looks like. This is literally the street in front of you, 17th Street. That is Jackson.
Let's talk really quick about Arlington Public Schools.
If you are from out of town and you're not familiar with Arlington public schools, niche.com gives them a grade of A+. The schools that you're going to be assigned because of the location of the house, it's going to be, for elementary school, it's Arlington Science Focus, and for middle school, it's going to be Dorothy Ham, and for high school, it's going to be Washington Liberty. Let's go to the second level. The master room is that way. Let's go into the secondary bedrooms first. You're gonna have a total of 3 bedrooms in this level, including the primary bedroom. Every bedroom, of course, has a really good size closet and its own bathroom. And this would be your bathroom. And let's go to bedroom number 2. Again, bedroom number 2, big windows, closet space, and then its own bathroom. And one thing that is absolutely convenient is having your own laundry room on the second level, on the bedroom level. And if you have a big family, you have 2 washers and 2 dryers. And of course, your sink. This would be a linen closet. And then without further ado, let's take a look at the primary bedroom. The first closet in the primary bedroom. And then look at this. You have, again, your own private fireplace in the bedroom. And look at this, beautiful. By the way, kudos to the staging company. They did a really, really good job. This wall back here has, I don't know what type of material this is, but it's texture and it looks very, very, very nice. All right, so before you go into the bathroom, you're gonna have this little space here for makeup and getting ready, and the bigger closet for the primary bedroom. And look, this is gorgeous. You have a nice spaceship here. And look at this shower. It's not only big, but the design is very, very tastefully done. And you have 2 independent shower heads with 1, 2, 3, 4 nozzles. let's take a final look here at the primary bedroom. Now, before we go into the third level or the loft, let's go to my studio really quick and let's talk about where the house is located in Arlington and what are the main roads. The house sits on the west side of Lyon Village, and it is very close to Route 66, which is one of the major highways in Arlington. You are very, very close also to Route 29. Also, the house is less than a mile from the Clarendon metro station. If you were to drive, let's say, to the White House in Washington, D.C., it'll take you about 20 minutes without much traffic. It's about 5 miles. If you want to go to Ronald Reagan International Airport, it's about 6 miles, and it could also take you about 20-25 minutes without traffic. Welcome back to the house. Let's go to the loft. Okay, you are in the loft of the house where you have this sitting area. You can relax and watch TV before you go to bed. This could be one of the bigger kids' area. It could be your own space, like your work from here. You have 2 people working in the house. One takes the studio in the main level and another one takes this area. You have a built-in desk. This room, it could be another bedroom, it could be a play area, and it has a really big desk. Very well insulated. The temperature right now, it's very, very comfortable. So what do you think so far about the house? Go in the comment section and let me know. And also, is it Lyon or is it Lyon Village? Let's go to the basement. All right, sorry a little bit for the echo here in this room because it's not furnished and there's a lot of hard surfaces, so we have a little bit of an echo. Anyway, so here in the basement, you're gonna have this gorgeous bar. And in the bar, you're gonna have a small fridge or a beverage fridge, and you're gonna have a full-size wine cooler with 2 zones. One thing I didn't mention, but throughout the entire house, almost on every room, you're gonna have speakers. And there's also a completely home theater setup here. You have, I don't know what exactly the specifications are, but it looks like it's a Dolby Atmos with a bunch of speakers. Anyway, subwoofer and everything. So next to the bar, you're gonna have a small room. This could be the storage area, pantry. Then you have plenty of storage space throughout the basement. This would be a closet under the staircase. And then you're gonna have this area, which is where your bedroom is in the basement. Bedroom qualifies as a full bedroom because it has the access to the outside and your closet. And you have a full bathroom as well. And I'd love to take a shot of the mechanical room, which you're gonna have a huge water heater. You have your HVAC system and plenty of storage. And not only you have speakers throughout the entire house, but you have also Cat 6 Ethernet connections throughout the entire house. Before we finish the video, let's take a look at the backyard and finish up there. So here in the backyard, they did an awesome job. They have these stone outdoor kitchen with a fireplace. You have really nice seating off of the living room. And you have green space on both sides of the house. If you have a dog, if you have kids, they can totally play out here. Let's take a quick look at the back of the house. You have mature trees, landscaping, really, really well done. And I didn't mention it from the basement, but from the basement you have access to the backyard. Is it Lyon Village? Is it Lyon Village? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for touring this gorgeous house with us today. My name is Miguel. This is your channel, Living in Arlington Today. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell so you're notified next week when we post a new video.